verificação dos parceiros. Vou dizer como é que é. Domingão já tá estralando, põe nas pistas Santa Fé. Chama todas as princesas, com certeza as mais top. Lá na praia de Ilhabela eu passei com o novo Veloz. Topa, 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 topa,
So welcome guys back to my page. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make a player text tracking effect using Capcut. I've made a sample earlier on how to do this, which I posted on my YouTube and my TikTok. I'm not really sure about my YouTube yet. So this is the video I'm going to be using for the editing. Though I'm going to cut this and make it short but well detailed. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. First of all, you skip into your Capcut. Select clip and import clip into Capcut. Then you select text, add your text, and then select your style, add using for video. Then select select tracking, positional tracking. Please note that after you've selected your tracking, don't move the position of the text. If you do, then you're going to start the tracking. So I'm just gonna repeat the whole process again to make it the text to the player or to stay on top of the player and to follow the player's movements. Now watch properly as I position the tracking. Note, if you don't position your tracking well, the text won't follow the character you have selected. So position your tracking well and get to work. So after with the editing, you're going to click on the export button to export. So I'm exporting in 720p. It's export you after you're through editing. So when you're done exporting, click on done as saved written above in the right hand side, left side. Click done to show you the attribute what you are doing. And outcome of what we've edited.
Easily gives it to Saka. Saka trying to dance away from Bellingham.